just did my last oil change before we hit the dyno with my EJ20X Subaru STI. We're gonna see what it makes on E85 with the setup I've got on it. It's a pretty OEM plus setup, and we're hoping it's gonna make close to 400. This turbo on EJ20X on E85 has made 400 on a dyno. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be more high 300s, 375 to 400 if I had to take a guess. Before we do the dyno, I got some brand new powder coated Brembos that I'm gonna install on this thing. The black ones look just fine, but I wanted something a little bit different, which I will show you here in a little bit. And I haven't done brakes on this thing, it needs brakes. So let's get this thing in the shop, get it up on the hoist, put some new Brembos on it, and hopefully they look nice with this color. It's kind of hard finding a color that looks good with this yellow, but let's pull it in the shop. What do we got here, Jade?
Brembos.
Got our new powder coated Brembos for the yellow hatch. We're taking a peek for lunch. What? What color did we get? Black copper. Just a little sneak peek. We're not gonna really look at them. Jade's color she chose.
Oh, hey, dude. He wasn't kidding.
Those are dark. It does look good. Holy sparkle.
That's awesome.
That's pretty sweet.
That'll pop in the sun.
That look good. Anders, do you want to see them?
No, not yet.
You actually don't want to?
I'm gonna wait until I have to look.
Here, look. Look.
Oh, because suspense. Yeah, suspense.
Okay. I'm gonna show Ben, so walk away.
Oh, I saw it. Your first she dipped off Brembos.
I think they look really good.
They do look good.
Yeah. Or just come out here. I want to see how they look just in like basic light. It's sick because they're almost a little purple. It's awesome. No, I think they look really good. They're definitely darker than I thought they would be. Nuts. Gotta get this blue car all done. Watch out, Dip. Would you move that floor jack? Thanks. So if you don't know the setup on this car, we did a little build series on it a while ago. I say build, but it's a stock motor car just with some bolt-ons. It's OEM plus in my opinion. So it's an EJ20X, which are the cheap JDM engines, and it's got a Pavel Racing Engines modified stock turbo. So it's like a Garrett stock turbo hybrid that they've made 400 horsepower on. Fuel system on E85, it's on flex fuel, so you can run either. Got our IBR flex fuel kit, and we're seeing if it's gonna make 400. Let's throw these Brembos on there. I'll show you what those look like. Here's a before with the black Brembos, which these aren't anything too wild. We got our new rotors and pads up there. Here's our Brembo box from Caliper Clinic. All right, we've already unboxed 2 of them, but we'll unbox the other 2 on camera. So Caliper Clinic is in Detroit area, Detroit, Michigan area. They have pre-coated Brembos that you can just purchase and send yours in as a core, or you can also send your Brembos in and they will powder coat them. And based off the 2 that we've already removed, they look very nice. And they're fully rebuilt also. So this is black copper. So basically it's a very dark copper bronze color that looks good in my opinion. How's it look on camera?
Looks really good. I think hot pink would have done it justice.
Hot pink would have been horrific. And the rear, yeah, they look sick.
Dude, they didn't miss a single spot.
They look good. Yeah, they look pretty sick. So our idea, I had him not put decals on purpose because if we don't like this, we're gonna redo it. But I think it'll be fun to try this. So it's gonna be this will fit on here like this and just say burger. But I think instead of the Brembo logo, I wanna try this, which I think should fit fine. It might be a little tight. This is gonna be my least favorite part, is getting these all perfectly centered. If I do it crooked at all.
You should have Ben do it.
Well, that's why we ordered extras. Got some denatured alcohol here. It's so sick. They look brown. It's awesome. I love brown. It's not bad. Now onto the fronts, which is going to be definitely more challenging. You come hold this here a second. Hold that like right there. I'll make sure this is going to fit fine. Yeah, I think so.
Put the middle down for
I want to make sure. I'm not good at this decal stuff. Looks pretty centered up and down. A little low maybe. Boy, well, at least we know they work. There. I think it goes up, doesn't it? I think it does. I can turn it just a little. I think that's a little better. We're sending it now. We got extras. That looks pretty good. I have ceramic coat. I should ceramic coat these things. Sure. I'm very happy with how that turned out. All right, we gonna get clowned on for doing this, or are people gonna go, that's kind of cool? Let's toss these suckers on there. We're praying that all these Brembos come off just like that one did, but not always the case. I don't like the feeling of that top one. All good. If bolts are gonna break, it's usually the rear. Yes, all the Brembos came off. Time to get the new ones. I'm gonna drop them on Ben's head. Yeah.
My seat actually doesn't go down anymore.
You ever seen that one picture? It's like
Embezzlement. Old. New. Armor shield. Golly, I suck at Roman numerals. Armor shield 4. But what's an X?
You didn't know 4?
X is 10.
You didn't know 4?
No, it's not 4. It's not 4.
Dude!
Okay, what's an
Holy
X?
Like you could have figured it out.
Avalon King Armor Shield 9.
Yeah!
Let's toss these suckers on there. All right, I always do pad test fits, and I'm glad I did because these sliders shouldn't have been powder coated, but we got them to fit. Decals look good, and we are going to pop these calipers off and try and get the new line on there as quick as possible, and then we'll get the new rotors on. We'll be getting close to getting this thing done. Come on, baby. There we go. One caliper. All right, we're trying this swap on our own here. It's a little challenging on your own, just because I'm trying to do it as fast as possible. Come on. Golly, great start. Well, guess we'll leave it like that. Come on, we did pretty good. Not too bad. New rotor. That didn't work. I bleed these brakes. We'll throw the wheels on. This bleeder looks so sketchy. Maybe I'm just tweaking. Time to ceramic coat, which first I'm gonna clean with some alcohol. Want the front ceramic coated so that everything just kind of comes off when they're washed. You don't have to fight the brake dust, so I'm not gonna worry about getting the back of them. I'll wash the rest and meet you back here for ceramic coat. Got our ceramic coat, some Avalon King. Got this little thing that you, and then wipe it on there. I'm gonna do my best to get it in all the little crevices. I'm gonna do that to all of them, and then hopefully they clean up really nice. All right, I'm gonna do the next couple and then wipe them down with their provided rag, and we'll throw the wheels on and go for a test drive. Can't get this thing off the hoist if I don't put something under it. All right, Brembos are done. I like the look and I actually like the logo. I'm gonna, of course, drive this thing a little bit more, make sure everything feels good. And then next, we'll be heading to the dyno, see what this thing will make. Welcome to the dyno day for this 2008 EJ20X swapped STI. This car used to have a 2.5 liter and I put a EJ20X in it to see what kind of horsepower we can make while still keeping the car together. I put this engine in and this turbo and this fuel system setup in with the goal to see if it would make 400 horsepower on an EJ20X, which is not recommended. I think I'll go over some of the mods a little bit later in the video. Before we hit the dyno, stick around, don't miss out. Hopefully we make good power, hopefully it doesn't blow up and we can drive it home. I'll see you in the next clip.
Hey, Andrew's a soft drink from a bet.
Yeah. You don't gamble, you don't win.
85. Let's see, what? It was like 76% ethanol. It better be that or better. That's minimum 51% is ridiculous.
He's growing up so fast.
Hey, frick you.
All right, let's see what. Hopefully, it's got to be like E75 or better. That would be ideal. It was E76 last time I filled up, and I was only at half
What was
tank.
the percent?
It's not gonna be much higher. 77. Might go up a little bit.
What do you think, Anders?
You got the best.
Titanium.
Titanium.
This is. That's a V6. All right, as you can tell, we made it to the shop. Corvette on the dyno currently. Icing down the intercooler, try and stop this absurd heat soak with the top mount. Hope she stays together. Sweet shop. Nice little hangout section, bunch of hoists. Hopefully that's just AC. I think it's from the, yeah, I bet it is from the ice. Man, she's low. Barely. That was so close.
Looking good. Anders isn't gonna blow up.
Hopefully not.
It's a Subaru. Nope, I think it's gonna.
I don't think it is, but it's always definitely a thought. Always a thought. They gotta move the roller because it's probably in there.
Yes, sir. Good thing Robert is not. Perfect.
say the traction control's on.
Oh.
Maybe not, I don't know.
I think nervous?
A little bit.
So far, so good. You're damn now.
I'm not gonna tell you what they...
Dude! we based off your reaction.
Doing a couple more.
He's doing one more if everything looks fine. If it's about the same number, he's just doing one more. Same thing? Okay. Yeah, it's gonna heat soak real bad. It said that if they had a better intercooler, it would do a lot better because it just heat soaks really bad. I thought this exhaust was quiet. Yeah.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Sagging a little. Staying good in there. Supposed to be.
Oh yeah.
At the bottom.
Oh
See
yeah.
that?
Yep.
So yeah, so you know about this.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. Solid. If you guys ever need anything, please let me know.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Take care, guys. Sweet.
Very nice.
See you at home.
Yeah.
All right, not only did it survive on the dyno, it made it home. Nothing too crazy on the dyno. 2 pulls as you saw, some testing, blah, blah, blah. Here is the dyno sheet. We did 2 pulls. The first pull was the better one because intake temps were best. 376 horsepower, 331 torque. My guess was 377 wheel and 333 wheel torque. I was surprised how accurate I was. It's definitely less power than I was hoping for, but kind of what I expected. I didn't expect it to crack that 400 mark. So if we didn't show it earlier in the video, Anders guess, my guess, 377, 333, Ben 375, 365, Jade guessed 384, 349, I think, and Brandon, my brother, guessed 376, which was right on, but torque was farther off. I have to pick a winner on Instagram who guessed the closest, Instagram or Facebook, but I'm pretty sure the winner is gonna be on Instagram and they get a free t-shirt. We had a bigger top mount, or ideally a front mount. He said he wouldn't be surprised if just right off of that, it would make 390-ish. And I'm sure if we played with boost a little bit, we could make over that 400 mark, but I'm not gonna push the EJ20X any farther than it kind of already is. I'm happy with where it's at. It runs really good, or the shop said everything looks good. That is kind of the end of this so-called budget build EJ20X. If you want to see a video of me adding up what it costs to do this 20X and make this power, obviously I'm not gonna count visual mods and that kind of stuff this car has, but necessary items to make that power. And then maybe even if to make that 400, you could just do a few little extra things. Let me know in the comments, because I can make that video. And it's a pretty budget-friendly setup. It's not crazy. It's not recommended. Like, this is beyond what this stock motor is rated for, but it's not completely unhinged. Thanks for watching this whole series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We got another car with a 20X, another car with a 20X. So we're not done with the 20Xs and seeing what they can do and how long they can last. We appreciate you watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.